Welcome to Vanguard Motor Sales, where you can get an old car. Come back today to Vanguard Motor Sales to get your car. Your overly expensive for rich people only cars. Oh my God, the window goes up and down with this crank thingy. Oh shit. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna have to go jizz. Here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not a consignment dealer, but although we do financing, you can even come in and suck our cocks if you want to care. Remember that. At other dealers, it takes a long time for financing to go through. So you might look like this by the time that happens, but not here. And if you really want a car and you have shitty credit and there ain't much we can do for you, well, depending on how good you suck our cocks off will depend on what we can do for you. So come by to Vanguard Motor Sales, where me and Tam are going to come here with our dicks out if you can't be approved for any kind of fucking loans to get these $100 cars that we have out here on our fucking lots. Well, you can just try to suck your way into a car. Bring your wife, too. Ha ha. And also, every time I make a video, I'm probably going to tell you, oh, this is my new favorite car we got here, as I'm test driving it and spinning the fucking tires on it and possibly tearing the drivetrain out. So you know you'll get a car that's well beat the fuck out of. So come get one off us today in this shithole Michigan. Come on, get a car off us today. See you later. Don't you know? Sorry, but not sorry. I can't help myself. Those commercials are so retarded that they have on there. I don't have anything against them, but their commercials just drive me nuts. They're so fucking annoying. And it's like, hey, we get a car here you can't have, poor people. Sorry. Only these rich fucks can have one. You can't. So go fuck yourself. We found this in some old lady's fucking basement and polished it up and put a motor in it. And now we're going to give you fucking run one up your fucking ass. A diamond-studded rod, and we're going to break it off. Right in your asshole. Yeah. Because that's how things work today. That's how everything works in the automotive industry. And whether it's a new car or whether it's 110 years old, we're going to jam one tight up your ass on the price. Even if it's been sitting in my yard for 110 years with grass growing up around it and weeds and critters living in it. I'll take $100 million for that thing in the yard there. That's the only one like it. It's growing up and has 2 rats fucking in it instead of 1. Oh, fuck me. Everything's going to hell in a handbasket, isn't it? More like hell on a shutter. Oh, shit. All right, everybody. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry, really, but I had to do that. It's a good stress reliever. So, see y'all on the next one.